because I had more detail in that as a wide angle than I've ever seen in my life. And I know other guys have done very deep. This was the shot we took final, Jack. This was final. That was 34 by 30 seconds. So 17 minutes of integration. And you can see these beautiful giant molecular clouds and the violent forces that are happening within them. You can see all the dark Bok globules and the areas that are still able to produce material to produce stars in the future. And of course there are other areas which are completely devoid of any hydrogen gas. In fact, this picture, like it is here, is brilliant because on the left hand side of the picture we have almost interstitial space with stars, and the cloud, you can see how big the Eta Carinae star is. Yeah, it was a 30 stack, 34 with 30 seconds. Yeah. Anyway, this is the moon, and we're stacking the moon here. That's a stack of 10, and the moon at the moment, Jack, I'm broadcasting here the moon at 1/6000th of a second, because this Xterminator is far too sensitive. So to do a moon like this with Xterminator is quite something. I was quite chuffed with this. It's very nice. So let's do another 10 shots of 1/6000th. 10 whips up quite fast, eh? So we'll just go. We're already at 4, 5. It doesn't take long to do 10, you know. Brilliant, Jack. Brilliant. Anika, I'll send you this picture once we've done it. So we've done there. There's another 10 we've done. Let's go another 10. It's a beauty. It's a beauty. It stacks so fast. It goes through the stack at 1/6000th of a second. It goes so fast that it's always behind. So at the moment we still, now that's 26. That's pretty good, eh? I love it. It's so easy to do as well. It's not hard. You don't have to be a genius to do the pictures. Isn't that marvelous? But look at the Trifid Nebula and the lagoon. In fact, I want to look at the lagoon, and I wonder how we're going to manage that, because the lagoon is probably pretty close to the moon, and the moon is probably just going to explode our brains again. So anyway, let's just, so we've nearly finished that. 26. Let's finally see. That's a beauty, eh? That is great, eh? that's 40 shots. So I'm going to save that for you, Annie. Okay. Next thing we can go and look at, let's go and just while we about it, man, let's go and look at the Trifid Nebula. These three. Let's get rid of Astrotoaster. Put Milo Slick back in view, and let's go back. We've got to wait for the countdown, guys, I'm afraid. So we're going to go to hyper mode and just wait for a 3-minute countdown. Go make some coffee. You can make coffee in 3 minutes. How are you, Andrew? Nice to have you on the show, Andrew. You give us a international flavor being from England. It's great. So we're looking at Antares. I think the first thing I want to just see, how does this baby work? I want to go to the beautiful globular cluster that is NGC 6121. Can't remember if that's M3 or M4. I've got a feeling it's M4. Messier 4, yes. So let's go to Messier 4. Let's have a look how this will look. Probably be in the same no, I don't think so. Let's go make it 20 seconds. You're welcome. No problem, Haneke. Okay, there we go. That's quite nice, Messier 4. I haven't, I mean the moon's out, so it's exceptionally hard. You know, the moon's close by, we were just looking at it, so I'm really happy to be able to see this picture like this from Messier 4. Yes, you can see the bar of stars. I have never even known about the bar of stars, and you can definitely see it, Jack. Without doubt, there's the bar of stars. There it goes, over there, from 2 o'clock till 7 o'clock. Quite right. Didn't even know of that, Jack. That is fantastic. I didn't know of that. That is marvelous, eh? To see that. While we're looking at it, let's go and look at. Oh yes, the cat's eye globular. All right. Okay. Nice one, Andrew. Nice one. Hey man, I'm learning about it from the Northern Hemisphere boys. Okay, let's go and look at Messier 6. M6. Right on the galactic equator. Wow, that's nice. This, you know what, guys? You know I love open clusters, but you can never really see them nicely with the big 12-inch, 11-inch telescope. Look at this. Wow, that's a beauty. Messier 6. Gee whiz, that's nice. Oh my, this is going to be beautiful. I'm just so looking forward to looking at all these lovely open clusters. And the moon's causing difficulties, eh? I mean, we really are almost looking straight into the moon. But that's really nice. You could darken it up a lot and stuff like that. But it really shows it's a lovely cluster. Not not guiding or anything like that. We're just whipping through them. Let's go to look at M7, Messier 7, close by. You can never go through these normally with a 12-inch because they don't really look good. Let's look at this one. Yeah, Rick, this is a lovely part of the heavens. The Milky Way is running right smack through the middle. That's why we here in South Africa struggle to see galaxies like you guys. Look at that. Look how the Milky Way is there, and look how sensitive this little Xterminator camera is. Just look how many thousands and millions of stars it's showing us. Isn't that incredible? Really, and you can almost see these dark globules. Actually, you know what I want to do? I want to go and look at the coal sack by because I'm sure we'll see the darkness with this. Let's just go and look at that. NGC 4755. NGC 4755 is the jewel box. Okay. Remember, we won't see the jewels, but we'll certainly see the stars because this is a mono camera. Hopefully we'll be spot on.